I saw an ad and I was like, what's up with this brand? And I went to the website and I was looking at the ingredients and I was like, this looks pretty healthy. Like, they're not lying to us. This is actually a legit, like, vegan brand. I tried the vitamin D for kids, and then I tried the vitamin D3+K2 for myself. And what I loved about it, because I had tried different brands, a lot of the brands were like artificially flavored, and I didn't really like that taste. There were also some that the consistency of the oil was so thick. D3+K2 I really liked because it was light. It didn't have like a sugary taste. It didn't have like an artificial taste. It literally is clean, if that makes any sense to you. Like, almost like I was spraying water into my mouth, and the consistency was really nice. So, and I love sprays in liquid vitamins because they absorb quicker into your body. So that's kind of the reason why I wanted to try this.